Hi there, welcome back. So before we move on to the next, say dimension in the portal, so I'll have to tell you one more thing about, say how do you connect your domain and what is analytics here. So when it comes to analytics, right? So you'll have to save these changes, so and publish the site, right? And while publishing, it's going to ask you, in terms of what domain you would want it to publish. But when you publish it, you're going to see analytics, right? You're going to see how many unique visitors are coming to your site, what is the page views, what is the time on site that they're spending typically, and what is the average pages every visitor has visited, right? You can see the top pages with your traffic. You'll be able to see what kind of say device traffic that is getting from iPhones, from say Android tablets, and then the search engine queries. What are they searching? Clothing store Bangalore, clothing store Chennai, clothing store Mumbai. What are they searching on say on Google search engines to get there, right? So that is what is analytics about. Now let me just go back. So you'll be able to see, the kind of pages. You want to add one more page, you can click on add page here. So all you have to go to do is click on pages and then click on add page. You can also redirect URL to redirect, say visitors to an external page. Redirect them to an existing URL. Suppose it's a YouTube video, you have to say YouTube there and then redirect them to a YouTube video link. Right, you can do that and click on OK. Also, that is also a trick which people are doing to get more views on the YouTube videos. And then you can go back and then you can also look at the kinds of different settings. You'll be able to connect your domain by clicking on domain here, and then you can connect your domain. Now it's test25.bookmark.com. You can also connect a custom domain. You can buy the domain in GoDaddy.com or whatever site you're preferring to buy domains in. And then you can search for the domain right here. This is amazing. And then you can search for the domain. Maybe it's clothing store chennai.com or whatever is your company name. You can search for it here and then buy it also. Then we are also looking at emails. Right now you can also look at what kind of emails you can buy from here also. So once you have emails in store, once you have a domain in store, once you're connected that, you can publish your website. So once it's published, it is visible to others. That's pretty cool. And then events is another thing. You can add an event and promote that. Suppose you have a marketing event for selling your clothes, for maybe say a cloth fair 2018, and you can actually go ahead and type in a description, and you can set a location and have that event displayed here in your website. The date of the event has to be set, the event image has to be added, and then you can save the settings in your website. That is a pretty cool thing in bookmark.com, right? So that was bookmark.com for you. Now let's move on to a different dimension. So heading back to here. So the next one is Castle Relics. Now that's Portal 2. So good that you did it. You crossed Illinois Rock and you're going to Castle Relics. In Castle Relics, you're going to talk about GetWebs. Okay, all you have to do is type GetWebs in Google. Okay, we are here in GetWebs. Imagine websites build themselves. All you have to do is click on try. And now all you have to do is answer the questions asked by the chatbot. So now it is asking for some questions, right? So I just want a website, just a website I would need it, not an online store. So it's going to build your website based on the answers that you're giving. Would like to talk about your business or about yourself? Bring out some highlights. Yes, I would. Obviously, yes. It's going to ask more questions. Would like to show a gallery. Every picture has a heading and a description. Yes, I would like a gallery. More questions coming out from webs. Is your product already known to people or something new and different? Yet it needs explaining. Nobody's going to understand my product, I guess. So, okay, good. Would you like to show your team on your website? Yes, definitely. My team members are to be shown. Would like to have happy customers. You see that it's building a website here based on the ideas. Cool. Yes, I would like to have some customer testimonials on my website. Save your progress. I can write my email. Not now. Not now. I don't want to save my progress right now. I would like to show ask for price option. Okay. We're almost done. No, I would not like to disclose my clients. So I clicked on no, I don't. Show video. Yes, definitely. I have a lot of YouTube videos that I like to showcase here. Location. Yes, definitely. I would showcase my location. Do you have a store or an office which is opening hours? Yes, obviously yes. Okay. It's more like to have a contact form. Yes, I would. I would like to have a contact form where people can type their email address and phone number and to come to me. We more to design. I'd like to collect your clients' email IDs. Yes, I would. Definitely yes. The color of my brand is blue. Cool. Well, it should be subtle, not too much of color. Also, will spoil the broad. Like to have your website to be darker or wider. Darker. That's pretty good. This is it. Your website is ready. Go to edit. That's it. GetWebs, and another technological, say platform for AI website creation, where you had created an amazing website. You saw the design over there in GetWebs. Pretty cool, right? As for offer, we did that, right? So that's what you had. It has everything over there. So you can change the design anytime you want. Have it round or square or lighter, darker, colorful or subtle, modern or traditional. You can change the colors here, and then you can change the structure of the website. Whatever you want to, you can add this. I don't want a map. You don't want open times. I can click on that and it's gonna say open time is gone. All boom. You want to edit the background? Click on edit the background, and then you can edit whatever background you want. I want this, so I have to do a control minus so that I can choose a picture. Oh, this is amazing. And then I can integrate payment analytics and all this here, and then I can edit this. So this is my amazing website, and I can edit whatever content I want here also. It's amazing products I sell. Cool. And then pretty cool, right? Okay, and I want to change this image. Click on the image and change it. Wow, this looks amazing. So that's about say GetWebs. Then you can save it, and you can preview the website over here. Preview website, not on mobile right now, but on website. Wow, this is cool. Oh, the car thing, the racing track car is really good. I can play the video here, so I can play videos, and then everything is amazing. So that was about creating an artificial intelligence website using GetWebs. I hope you enjoyed the second class, and it's pretty cool, right? It's getting cooler and cooler and cooler. Okay, thank you so much. There's more to come. There's amazing things to come. Thank you so much. Stay awaited.